Today I am reviewing Skytech Azure 3 Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming PC that can handle anything you throw at it, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 might just be the ultimate choice. Built for both serious gamers and creators, this desktop combines cutting-edge hardware, sleek design, and excellent cooling, making it a standout option in today's gaming market. At the heart of the Skytech Azure 3 is the AMD Ryzen 7700X processor, a powerhouse running at a base speed of 4.5 GHz, with turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz. This means whether you're streaming, editing, or jumping into your favorite AAA games, the CPU delivers lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking, ensuring you never hit a bottleneck. Paired with 32GB of DDR5 ARGB RAM running at 6000 MHz, multitasking becomes effortless, and games that demand high memory can run smoothly without lag or stutter. Graphics are where the Azure 3 truly shines. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR5 graphics card, this rig is built for high-end gaming at 1440p Quad HD resolution. Titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, Apex Legends, Minecraft, and Valorant run at ultra settings with smooth frame rates exceeding 60 FPS. Ray tracing, AI-powered graphics, and immersive visuals are handled effortlessly, giving you stunning in-game realism and competitive advantage. One of the standout features is the 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, offering blazing fast load times and rapid file transfers. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD is up to 30 times faster, which means your operating system, games, and software launch almost instantly. The storage is also ample enough to accommodate multiple AAA games, media projects, and essential software, all without compromise. Cooling and system longevity are crucial for high-performance gaming PCs, and Skytech doesn't disappoint. The Azure 3 comes with a 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans, keeping temperatures low even during marathon gaming sessions. Say goodbye to thermal throttling or overheating. This system maintains peak performance consistently. The Skytech Azure case itself is elegantly designed with tempered glass and a white finish, allowing RGB lighting to shine through for a truly striking setup. Connectivity and expandability are well thought out. The PC includes Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 AC, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, plus audio jacks, providing everything you need to connect peripherals, displays, and more. Skytech also includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, making this a complete out-of-the-box gaming solution. Software-wise, the Azure 3 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home 64-bit, clean and free from bloatware, allowing you to focus on gaming and productivity without distractions. Skytech also provides 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with lifetime technical support, giving peace of mind and reliable customer service. In summary, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC is a complete package for gamers, streamers, and content creators. With a powerful Ryzen 7 processor, RTX 5070 graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB Gen 4 SSD, it can handle the latest games at high settings, while staying cool, quiet, and responsive. Its sleek ARGB design and user-friendly features make it a perfect addition to any gaming setup. If you want high performance, future-proof specs, and stunning visuals, the Azure 3 is an investment that will serve you for years to come. Whether you're aiming to dominate in competitive games, stream content, or tackle creative projects, the Skytech Azure 3 gives you the performance, reliability, and style you need. This is not just a gaming PC, it's a powerhouse ready to redefine your gaming and creative experience.